Looking to shed those extra pounds? We've got you covered with a list of 20 foods that will not only satisfy your taste buds but also have almost 0 calories. These weight loss powerhouses are perfect for curbing cravings and helping you achieve a leaner physique. 1. Celery, high in water content and fibrous, it aids digestion. 2. Cucumbers, packed with nutrients and incredibly hydrating. 3. Kale, low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals. 4. Spinach, a nutrient-dense green that promotes weight loss. 5. Broccoli, high in fiber and antioxidants, it keeps you full. 6. Oranges, juicy and full of vitamin C without adding extra calories. 7. Watermelon, hydrating and refreshing, it's guilt-free snacking. 8. Berries, packed with antioxidants and fiber for a healthy metabolism. 9. Apples, fiber-rich and satisfying to keep hunger in check. 10. Brussels sprouts, low in calories but high in nutrients. 11. Cauliflower, versatile and low-calorie, it's a great substitute for high-carb options. 12. Zucchini, high in water content and pairs well with many dishes. 13. Mushrooms, low in calories and a great source of B vitamins. 14. Radishes, crunchy, low-calorie, and a good source of fiber. 15. Bell peppers, colorful and packed with vitamins and antioxidants. 16. Asparagus, low in calories and a natural detoxifier. 17. Tomatoes, low in calories and high in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. 18. Onions, flavorful and low-calorie, they add depth to any dish. 19. Cabbage, rich in vitamins and minerals, it aids digestion. 20. Cilantro, adds flavor to meals without any significant caloric impact. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. So, grab these low-calorie options and enjoy creating delicious and weight loss-friendly meals.